Everything has come to an end today. You have lost it all, and the world is telling you that it is finally time to give up. But listen to me closely right now. Failure is not a coffin that buries you. It is the furnace that burns away every single weakness. The echoes of your mistakes might be loud, ringing in your ears like a constant reminder of everything that went wrong in the past year. Every door you tried to open has been slammed in your face, leaving you standing in the cold, wondering if there is any path left. You are down on your knees, feeling the weight of the world crushing your spirit, making it hard to even breathe in this dark place. The disorientation is real. The loss of direction is paralyzing. And the silence of the aftermath is louder than any explosion you have ever heard. Hold on to that pain for a moment. Feel the grit beneath your fingernails and the cold reality of the situation you are currently facing today. The music of your life has turned into a solitary, somber note, a heartbeat that is slowing down under the pressure of your deep despair. They say you are finished. They say the fire has gone out. But they do not see the spark that remains hidden deep within your soul. Standing at the base of this mountain of rubble, it seems impossible to climb out. But this is exactly where your new story must begin. Take one deep breath. Let the cold air fill your lungs and realize that as long as you are breathing, the fight is not over. How much longer are you going to lie there? How many more days will you spend mourning the person you used to be yesterday morning? The beast inside you is wounded, but a wounded animal is the most dangerous thing in the world because it has nothing left to lose. Nausea, pain, and exhaustion are trying to keep you pinned to the ground, but you must realize that this agony is actually your fuel. Do not run away from the pain. Embrace it. Wrap your hands around it and use it to propel yourself upward from this dark hole. Look at yourself. The weakness is leaving your body with every drop of sweat. You are not starting over from scratch. You have experience. You are a survivor of hell. You have seen the worst, and you are still here, standing on your own 2 feet, ready to fight. It is time to attack the very thing that broke you. It is time to turn the tables on fate and demand what is yours. This is your breaking point. This is the moment where you decide that the old version of you is dead and a warrior is born. Ignite the fire. Let the anger at your own complacency burn so brightly that it lights the way out of this miserable and dark pit. Don't ask for permission to succeed. Just take it. Your survival instinct is kicking in, and it is time to let the whole world know. The war inside your mind has been won. Now, it is time to take that victory out into the world and dominate everything in sight. Destroy the man you were yesterday. He was not strong enough to carry the weight of your dreams. So you must let him go. Shed the skin of failure. Every rep, every drop of sweat is a brick in the foundation of the new empire you are building. Burn the bridges to your past. There is no going back to the comfort of your excuses. The only way is straight through the fire. Starting over is a direct assault on destiny. You are not retreating. You are repositioning your forces to strike with much more lethal precision. The hammer of discipline is forging a new character. It is painful. It is loud. And it is the only way to become unbreakable. Kill your complacency. It is the silent killer of greatness. You must remain hungry, stay focused, and never settle for being just good enough. You are on a mission now, a mission of one. The world is vast and full of opportunities for those brave enough to seek them. Every obstacle is a test of your resolve. Flip the script. Use the very things meant to stop you as steps to climb higher. You are training for the fight of your life. This is not a game. This is about reclaiming your soul from the jaws of defeat. Past glory means nothing if you cannot win today. Empty the shelves and make room for the new victories that are coming your way. Wake up to the reality that you are the creator of your future. No one is coming to save you. You are the hero. The atmosphere is changing. The air feels different. You have successfully navigated the first stage of your own rebirth and total mental transformation. Write your own story now. Don't let the critics hold the pen. This is your life, your struggle, and ultimately, it will be your victory. The world does not care about your feelings. It does not care how hard you fell or how much it hurt when you hit. Discipline is the only language the universe respects. It is the bridge between where you are now and where you absolutely need to be. Time is moving. While others are sleeping, you are working. While others are dreaming, you are sweating. This is the price of total greatness. Excuses are the nails used to build a house of failure. Throw them away. You have no excuses left, only the cold, hard work. When the conditions are at their worst, you must be at your best. Seek out the friction, find the struggle, and stay right there. Persistence is a superpower. It is the ability to keep moving forward when every single cell in your body is screaming for you to stop. Every drop of sweat is an investment in your future. You are paying the price in advance for a life that most people only dream. Sharpen your mind as much as your body. Knowledge is the weapon that will allow you to navigate the minefield of your next big endeavor. Go harder. When you think you are done, do 10 more. Break the mental barriers that have kept you small and safe for so long. The darkness is where the real work happens. It is where you find out who you really are when nobody else is watching you struggle. Focus. Extreme, obsessive focus. You must become a heat-seeking missile aimed directly at your goals. Do not let anything distract your aim or path. Break the chains of your own limitations. You are far more capable than you have ever allowed yourself to believe. Now, go prove it. When you have nothing left to lose, you become the most dangerous person on this planet. You are finally free to be truly great. Now is the time to step into the light. The preparation is over. The training is complete. It is time to execute your master plan. Walk with the authority of someone who has been to hell and back. You have earned this confidence through blood, sweat, and many tears. Do not ask for what belongs to you. Do not negotiate for your worth. Step into the room and claim your position at the top. The deals you lost were just preparation for the empire you are about to build. This is the moment of your ultimate professional redemption. Winning is a habit. You have spent months practicing the habit of resilience, and now you are finally reaping the rewards of your labor. You have been reborn from the ashes of your old life. The version of you that failed no longer exists in this new reality. Even your enemies will have to respect the work you have put in. Results are the only thing that matters in the final accounting. Innovation comes from desperation. You used your lowest point to create something that the world has never seen before. You are a visionary. The crowd that once doubted you is now the same crowd that will cheer for your incredible comeback story. Enjoy this well-earned moment. Build your legacy stone by stone. You are no longer just surviving. You are constructing a monument to your own indomitable and powerful will. Look at the world you have conquered. This is the result of not giving up when everything seemed lost and completely hopeless in the dark. You are the king of your own domain. The scars you carry are the medals of a war you won against yourself and your doubts. Pressure created this. Without the weight of failure, you would never have become the diamond that you are today. Shine on everyone, coming back to the place where you fell, but this time as a victor, is the ultimate satisfaction for any true and dedicated warrior. This is your life now. This is the standard. Never look back. Always look forward to the next challenge and the next big win. The courage to start over is not just a choice. It is the ultimate power. It is the ability to recreate your own destiny. You have proven that a fall is never the end. It is merely the beginning of a much more significant and powerful rise to glory. Find the silence within. The noise of the world no longer affects you because you know who you are and what you can do. Your story is a testament to the human spirit. It is a light for others who are still trapped in their own dark and cold ruins. Never forget the fire that forged you. Never forget the lessons of the ground. Use them to stay grounded as you reach for the stars. Winning is the only option left for you now. You have seen the alternative and you have decided that you will never go back. There are no more excuses. There are no more delays. The time for talking is over and the time for action is eternally now. Every step you take from this moment on must be intentional. Every move you make must be toward the greatness that you truly deserve. Your potential is as infinite as the stars. Don't let a single failure define the limits of what you can achieve in this one life. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a lie told by the weak. You must act today. You must act this very second. Do it. Stand up. Brush the dust off your shoulders. Look your fear in the eyes and tell it that its reign is officially over today. There is nothing left to say. There's only the work. There's only the climb. Get up. Start again. Right now. Just go.